Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and you will see here a hole. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Just to bring SIM ejector tool, this is SIM ejector tool. Just insert this tool into this hole and push down into the hole, and the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Now you have to take out of the SIM tray from your phone. Okay, just to pull it out and it will come out. This is the SIM tray, and keep your phone aside. Okay, in this SIM tray you are seeing, and in this SIM tray you are seeing two slots. Okay, in the front side you can see one slot, in the back side you can see another slot. Okay, so here you go to insert SIM card. Okay, so in the front side, first insert one SIM card. Okay, bring one SIM card and insert in this position. Okay, this is the position to insert SIM card. Okay, see, then flip the SIM tray and insert another SIM card here. Okay, so here I am inserting another one. You have to insert the SIM card in this position. Okay, now bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Okay, bring your phone and insert tray into your phone here. Okay, just insert like this, and yes, SIM tray has been inserted. Now wait for notifications. See here, two SIM cards have been detected and they are showing here. Select default SIM for data. Either you can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. By default it is pointed to SIM 1. If you would like to choose SIM 2 as default, yes, select it and click on OK. Okay, yes. So in this way you can easily insert two nano SIMs in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.